guys, today we're back with another video today. We are going to open some stuff. So let me turn around the camera. Let me first get it. No. I'm going to bring you to the floor. Yeah. Do this. Okay. Put that right there. Let's do this. Okay. Now I'm going to open that stuff. I almost forgot. How am I going to show you guys? Don't mind this scrunch thing. Whatever. So first, let me get it. I got it from Learning Express, these toys. You can see the bag. Yeah. Okay. So now we're going to open it. It is one of these. I have not seen them in a long time from Learning Express, and I finally found them again. My mom's like, no, you can't have one. Please. A long time ago she said that. And now she's like, oh, they're finally back. And then she's asked me if I wanted to get it. I'm like, yes, of course. Okay. 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 Half of it is open. Oh, yes, opening. There. Yay! It opened! Okay, let's get this out. So, look what I have. I like it. I have, like, stickers and stuff. Like, there's a walrus. I don't know what it's called. I forgot what it's called. And, I literally like this. So, now, I really actually like this a lot. But yeah. So, I'll show you guys how I decorated it whenever I get back. Yeah. Okay, the next toy we are going to open is, let's see. Oh, yes, I've been wanting it. Okay, so I've been wanting this toy, and it's a squishy. Okay, where is it? Oh, here, there. Boinga, boinga. Whoop. Oh, and I like this. It's so cute. Look at it. Oh, look at it. Aww. Would you like it? Whoop. Nope. Okay. I like that a lot. Okay. So the next thing we're going... Actually, the two last things that I'm going to show you. They're already open. Come out. Come out. Wherever you are. There. Might need to cut off the tags, but do these little things that go in your hair to put up a ponytail or pigtails and stuff. So this one is rainbow. It stretches too. And it kind of bends in. And I'll cut off this tag for you guys. See it more better? See the tag right there? Right there. Okay. So like, carefully take it off. Get it off, I meant. Always say the wrong things all the time. But if you can't make mistakes, you can't make anything. I'm trying to cut it off. It's not working. I'll just leave it on. And my mom will help me. And that is not the end of our video. You know why? Because we still have to put these stickers on. So, okay guys? Now we are going to go slide. Ooh, look! OMG! Look at this. Cute. Aww. Look at the back. And here's the front that it came with. And this is the back. Look it! So now I'm going to put the stickers in this. Stickers. And first I'm going to start with clothes. So, actually first I'm going to start with the people. You need people in this one. Actually, they're not people, they're actually mermaids. I like her hair. And earrings, you know why? Because they're blue like mine. Blue. Now let's open this up. And I'll put her right. Ooh, she looks like a little mermaid. Ah! We'll put you right here. Let me squish down and then show you. You see her? Try to see her. I'll give you a couple seconds. I'll give you 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, if you didn't notice her, that she's right here. Right there. Do you see her now? Comment down below if you saw her before I got to 10. Before I got to 1. Or 0. Be honest, people. Be honest. Okay? Be honest. Be honest. Okay? So the next person is this cute girl. Ooh, I like this girl too, because now look what she has. Blondie. She's a blondie. She's a blondie. I'm a blondie. See, I'm a blondie. She's a blondie. We're both blondied. Ah. I like these two stickers, people, things. I don't know what they're called. Oh, put you right here. What? How do I say that? The live? Okay. She's trying to make a video. I showed how to, but she's wanting to do the live. I don't really ever do a live. You know why? Because I can't do one. Duh. Okay, guys. I'll give you a couple seconds for you to find her. Actually, 10 seconds. Just like that. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, guys. Did you find her? She is right here. Right there. So, I think that's all that we have for today, guys. Bye!